Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm going to be finally doing the flight review of the Force1 F100 Ghost brushless drone. So I just have it right out on my back deck just to show how easy this thing is to fly. So really quick, I'm going to show you how to power this thing on. So first you take your controller, hold this red button right here, hold it down, and then flip it on. You'll see that green flashing light. Come over to the drone, plug it in. You hear those beeps, that means it's all bound up. You can see the lights are solid on the bottom. I'm sorry the light is starting to fade. I tried to make this video like an hour ago, and then I went to edit it and I realized the whole time my camera was up like this the whole time, and it wasn't usable footage. So I just decided to redo it on my back deck and thought it should turn out decent, right? So to start the propellers, all you do is press this red button, just a quick tap. Propellers are spinning, and then to take off, you guys know the drill, just pull up the left throttle stick. Okay. Today is really a gorgeous day to be flying. There's absolutely no wind outside. You can see it's pretty stable. My trim's probably off a little bit. Full up, that thing's got so much punch. I've flown this thing many times, and it's just mind-blowing how much power it has. You can see we're up at a pretty good height. It's coming down. So this drone is super fast. This is in rate 1. You can see here, I'm gonna bring it towards me. It's full pitch left on mode 1. So I'd say that's a good 20 miles an hour. If we pop it into rate 2, this goes way faster. I'm gonna get it over here for a good start. You can see it goes down whenever you're in rate 2. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into rate 1. Let's try the flip. It does have a flip button on it. Let's bring it in a little closer. Let's try a side flip. Ooh, really nice. Let's try a back flip. Try a front flip. Really smooth and quiet. Let's go on rate 2 and just punch it up. Holy crap, that's like a rocket ship. Put it back into mode 1. I don't really like mode 2. It's just too fast. Something else to notice about this drone is how quiet it is. It might not seem that quiet on camera, but it's compared to a lot of other drones, it is really quiet. It's yaw. So yaw is when you turn your drone like this. That's full in rate 1. That's rate 2. Pretty good. When the drone dies, the controller is going to start beeping, and the rear blue lights will start flashing, so you know if it's about to die, which is really nice. Battery life is about 10 to 15 minutes. The camera, I was gonna put it on and fly it for you guys, but it's not the best camera in the world. I definitely prefer my GoPro. The camera that comes with it, it isn't charged right now, that's why I'm not using it. Oh, that thing's fast. But if you saw my latest video, if you haven't, click right up on that little white tag in the upper right hand corner. I took this drone, I put my GoPro Hero 7 on it, and I flew it way up and captured a beautiful sunset just last night actually. It was gorgeous. This drone is really perfect for stuff like that. It's also just fun to play around in the backyard like I'm doing right now. Come on, come down. An issue, something that is a little annoying is it comes down quite slow. You almost have to have it just plummet to the ground. So if you go up as high as I just did, oh, this drone is fun though. If you haven't seen the unboxing, you should really go check that out. It's a great video. I love this drone though. It's awesome. can't really think of anything else to say, so I think I'll just fly it for a couple more minutes and go ahead and close out the video. It's a really controllable drone considering it doesn't have altitude hold or Jeep GPS. It's just pure flying, and I'm nowhere near like an advanced or even an intermediate pilot. I just got this drone a few days ago. It's one of my first. I'd say I'm doing pretty well at flying this already, and I've only flown it for a couple of days. I think I'm gonna bring it in for a landing, and I'll go ahead and close out the video. So go ahead and back up. I'll just bring it down for a landing right on this little deck. Show how easy it is. Just like that, and then just hold down that red button, beeps twice, and it's done. And then just go ahead and flip off your controller. Lights will start flashing, and then unplug your battery. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and comment what you thought of the video. If you've watched all the way through, that means that you enjoy my content, so go check out some of my other videos. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.